it away? Well, hell yeah, I'll give it away. Did you give it away? For free, what would you have us pay? I didn't know that your love was a commodity. What about appreciation? Well, that depends on your depth and density. And what about inflation? Your charts and graphs don't mean a thing to me. Inundation with worthless currency. Did you give it away? Give it away. Did you give it away? Give it away to me. Did you give it away? Give it away. Did you give it away? Give it away to me. With your harmony, with your harmony.